Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Today I'm making very delicious and easy to make shrimp tacos. I marinated shrimps with very few ingredients. We'll make cilantro lime sauce to go along with that, and you can make everything ahead of time. It's a very great weeknight there, so without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe with Bismillah. First I'm taking a bowl of medium-sized shrimp. These are clean, deveined, and I took the tail off as well. I'm marinating it with some salt, crushed cumin, red chili powder, onion powder, and some freshly minced garlic. Mix everything well, and then we'll cover and put this on the side. We're gonna go ahead and make our cilantro lime sauce to go along with that. Today I'm using mini food processor jug. You can make it in a blender jug as well. Adding some garlic, cilantro, green chilies or jalapeno, mayonnaise, and a little bit of salt. I will process it once, and then I will add some lime zest and lime juice in there with sour cream, and then blend again until everything is fully mixed and it turned into a smooth sauce. Transfer it onto a bowl, cover, and you can make this sauce a day ahead as well. Now for the tacos, I'm serving shredded green cabbage, and I'm adding the same sauce which you just made. Mix well with the cabbage and put this on the side. Now we're gonna go ahead and make our shrimps. For that, I am heating up some olive oil and butter in a pan. On medium to high flame, transfer your marinated shrimps and start cooking in a single layer until shrimps just started to curl up. Don't overcook them, they will be tough or chewy. So just flip and let them get grilled from the other side as well. Transfer it onto the platter, squeeze some lime juice on top of it. Today I am using corn tortillas for this recipe and grilling it on top of the stove. You can heat it up in the microwave as well. Pick one piece of grilled tortilla, add that cabbage on it, put some shrimps on it, and drizzle some cilantro lime sauce. Now you can serve it with guacamole, avocado, squeeze some lime juice, cilantro, and enjoy this delicious shrimp taco meal. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below, and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.